morning? Yeah, I think it's
Good morning.
We are taking the day off from painting today, and we're going to explore some of sunny Fife. Where are we going?
It is sunny actually.
It is actually sunny. Where are we going today?
We're going to Shell Bay.
Shell Bay.
No doubt there'll be no seals there, so I'm probably going to have to drive to St Andrews Beach or Elie Beach.
We're on the hunt for some seals. I want to see some of these famous seals I've been told about. So yeah, it's been a nice drive so far. It's only about 25 minutes from the house, but it's all through countryside and it's really cool and along the coast. So yeah, it's been nice. Get to Shell Bay.
We have, and the tide is about a mile away. It's nice.
It's quite nice.
It's really cool.
It's not very beachy, but it's oh.
And the sun is out. Have a look at that sun.
It's up there. What the? Something just flew out my hand. It's beautiful though. It's really nice around here. So we're going to go for a walk and see.
It's nice and
What
silent.
happens. Oh, it's peaceful.
See if we find a seal. We've not got very far. We've stopped to take photos a few times. I spoke to someone and gave them a fright.
God.
Amy's freaking out more in Scotland than in Asia about the beasties and
It
things.
keeps like flying into my ear.
We've got a wasp that's attracted to Amy's ear here. Amazing.
Unbelievable. Like it's followed us since I got out of the car.
It's coming to get you. See the view.
I want to see a seal.
Speak to you later. Just to add, if you want to walk along the coast properly, there's some rocks there. I don't know if you can see, but there's chains and wee grooves in the rocks. So you walk over the top of the rocks and keep going. So that's our return route.
Dave's a little bit scared of this bit because it's quite close to the edge. He's freaking out. Doesn't like living life on the edge, but it's not too bad. There's a bit that's a bit close, but it's fun. It's fun. The English out. Made it to the beach. It's beautiful. I definitely am overdressed. I need my flip-flops, my sunglasses. It is very warm right now.
Not even a breeze. What is this all about?
Are we in Scotland? Are you sure?
I know. Keeping it up. Represent.
What a gorgeous day and a gorgeous place. Not a soul on this beach. Apart from us.
English tourists. Other than that, no actual locals here at all.
It's crazy. All this. Woo! And another wasp. My god.
I think that's...
Look at it coming towards me. Right, I don't know if this is one wasp that's followed me from the car park and has terrorised me for the last half an hour, or do you reckon it's just 100 wasps?
I think it's 100 wasps.
Oh my god, like what have I got in my hair? Have you put flowers in my hair?
No, you put flowers in my hair. Make me walk.
Found a jellyfish. Following the coastal path, leading us to these beautiful coves. Found another one, number 3.
The ship in. It's cool.
A little pit stop.
Guess what I'm having?
A coffee.
Good guess.
No.
I'm going south side. We go south side? Or are you leaving it? There's wasps out there.
Oh, there's wasps everywhere.
So Amy's going to see keen.
So we had a little stop at the ship inn. It was quite nice. It would be good for food, I'm sure, if we could afford it. So it wasn't like badly priced, but it's out of our budget right now.
We don't have a budget.
Well, we do.
We're eating sand.
On our way back. It's been a beautiful day.
You like that? You like
Oh,
that?
it was really good. I've enjoyed it.
Cool, check that out.
So-
You like Scotland?
Our walk completed. We are back in the car. I've had a really good day. That was lovely.
Excellent.
It's really nice. So I'm gonna go home, have some food because we're starving. Well, I'm starving. Are you starving? I'm starving.
Right. Told Amy about this fish and chip shop. It's quite famous in Scotland. So
Here we are.
we're gone. Okay.
It's so beautiful still. The weather. It's what time is it? 4:30, and it's still really warm. Sunny as anything.
Anstruther people.
Where
Come and
is it?
check out Anstruther fish bar. Anstruther.
Anstruther.
Anstruther, yeah. Einster. Einster chippy. That's where we're
We're gonna
heading.
eat it in the sun. We've got our fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
That was pretty quick actually in the end.
Alright, it was quick.
Where's the sun gone?
What happened
No!
to the fucking sun? Oh, I'm excited
Oh,
about
it's
this.
a bit chilly now. Blimey.
You might go and sit in the car.
Maybe. We'll sit outside. You can't eat fish and chips in the car. Did you get it? Oh. Right, so we'll see what this looks like. Dave can get it out of the box.
So you get 1 and a
And
quarter
a bit.
bit of fish.
It's a bit random. They do one and a bit. But it smells pretty good. The chips look good.
Did you?
Did you just steal one of my chips? Pretty good.
That was awesome.
The fish was really fresh and crispy. It was really nice. Chips were a little bit hard for my liking, but
The batter on the fish
good.
was amazing.
yeah. I'm gonna head back now, I think, towards home. It's getting a bit cold now. The clouds will come over, so that's the end of the sunny day.